So, namaste, guys. Welcome to today's session of the Hindu connecting current affair with the static part. So, today is 26th November, and we all know that this is our Constitution Day. On this day, our Constitution was adopted, and later on 26th January 1950, it was enforced. So, just go and check why instead of adopting the Constitution on 26th November 1949, it was enforced on 26 January 1950, why 2 months was delayed. So you can check with respect to the Lahore session of the International Congress and the Purna Swaraj resolution, and you can write down in comment section who was the president of the Lahore session in 1929. So coming on to the news, also today is also the 13th anniversary of the Mumbai attack on in which many people lost their life. So we are paying homage to those people. And coming to the news now, coming on the page number 1. So the first article is about government to revisit income criteria for economic weaker section quota. So you have what you have to study in this under this article is 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act 2019. You have to study Article 15, which clause was added by this amendment in Article 15, Article 16, and Indira Sani judgment of 1992-93, which had put a 50% cap on the quota, on the reservation quota. And you have to also refer Article 46, which of the DPSP, which says that government has to work for the weaker section. So a role of Article 46 in the implementation of the reservation. So you can refer these things. So second news is bring in three GST rate, three rate GST structure. So what you have to study is 101st Amendment, GST Council. GST Council is a constitutional body, you all know, and types of bodies like constitutional bodies, non-constitutional bodies, and type of non-constitutional bodies like statutory body and executive body, and whether GST Council is a constitutional body or not. And with respect to this economy, in GST, you can refer cascading effect and also National Anti-Profiteering Agency and input tax credit, and also the role, so the Laffer curve, which shows the relationship between the tax rate and the amount of revenue that has been collected by the government. So coming to the next news, Uttar Pradesh will be the best linked state, says our Prime Minister. So what you have to study is that infrastructure boost. So with respect to this infrastructure boost, you can refer the National Infrastructure Pipeline, which was around 100 or 111 lakh crore project to boost the infrastructure of the India to get achieve the $5 trillion economy by 2025. And with this, you can also refer PM Gati Shakti Yojana, Bharatmala Yojana, the dedicated freight corridor, the development finance institution that are announced in this year's budget. You can refer all these things with respect to the article. So the next article is rupees 10,000 crore more allotted to Manrega. So what you have to study is just how it has acted as a line of defense during pandemic. As we all know that during pandemic, many people lost their jobs in the cities and migrated back to the a reverse migration happened to the villages, and how Manrega has uh, absorbed the uh, those unemployed people that has migrated from uh, cities to villages. So you can also refer what is a its role in inflation. Also refer the what is pump priming. So basically this scheme is more or less like a pump priming that has been termed by James Keynes in the economy. You can refer this thing with respect to the article. So the next article is deploy more central forces in Tripura. So what you have to study is the CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces, and its control. Minister of Home Affairs control the Central Armed Police Force, but one exception is there, like Assam Rifle. It is a Central Armed Police Force, but it has a dual control of Defense Ministry as well as the Home Ministry. You can refer this thing, and also the Riang refugee crisis and the latest settlement scheme. Also the Feni River Bridge, which is known as the Matri Setu Bridge between India and Bangladesh. You can refer this and the location on the map as well. So coming to the page number 2, Haryana government claims on forest land refuted. So what is important in this article is you can refer the 73rd refer the Campa fund, like compensatory afforestation, that was uh, made on in 2001 on the Supreme Court recommendation. You can refer this Campa Act as well. You will get some incisive data on if you study the Campa Act. So Next news is no new taxes proposed in the North Corporation budget. So what you can refer the 73rd, 74th constitutional amendment, Article 40 of the DPSP. You can also refer the constraint faced by local governments in service delivery. Like they are still dependent on the state government for the finances, and their overall finances, around 90% of their finances are dependent on the state government, the devolution of taxes of the state government. So the next news is, if you don't agree with the author, don't read the book. The High Court had rejected the plea that was to stop the publication of the Salman Khurshid, the latest book. So that is not important. What is important is the debate arising on the Article 19, the freedom of expression and its reasonable restriction that has been put by the Constitution on the Article 19. Okay, so the next news is resources reforms needed for effective policing. So as we all know that Indian Police Act was brought in 1860 or 1861 to serve the interest of colonial masters, but after independence they have been adopted as it is. And so with time to time the demand for reforms in policing structure has been raised. So with respect to this, you can refer the Fraser Commission of 1903, the Padmanabhiya Commission. You can also refer the Supreme Court judgment in the Shri Prakash Singh case of 2006, is a very instrumental case with respect to the police reform, Shri Prakash Singh and others versus Union of India. So that you can refer in the police reform case. So coming on to the page number 3, there is important article like different ways to counter the pollution. Like one of them is given ki banning the construction to improve the air quality by 70% of the PM pollution, particulate matter pollution, is nothing but the dust particles. So banning on the construction will reduce the dust particle concentration of dust particles. So you can write down in your notes, time to time every day certain ways or measures are being published in newspaper every day, so you can enrich your answer. So another news was like, yeah, opposition likely to raise issue of pollution, new liquor policy. With liquor policy you can refer whether liquor is a union list, union subject or a state subject or in a concurrent subject, that all you can refer. So I will tell you the liquor is in state subject, a state list in the 7th schedule, Article 246. So coming on to the next page, uh, I think it is by misprinting. Page number 6 has been written there. Otherwise, it should be page number 5. But coming on to the news, important, like Tamil Nadu post higher figure for sex ratio at birth. So refer the complete article. It has some useful data. It will be helpful for the uh, human geography point of view as well as social issues as well. So the next news was wandering cattle to cost their owners dear. So this you can refer reward and punishment policy to change the attitude, and this is important for GS4 as um, GS4, and also you can refer the this Panchayat Ernakulam. You can refer the location in which state it is located. So coming on to the page number 6, that is important. Not page number 8, it has been written. Another important article was High Court issues center RBI centered notice to center RBI on banking amendment. So what you can refer Article 226 and power to issue writs, and Article 139 and 130 Article 139 and 32 of Supreme Court and its power to issue writs. And you must be knowing that High Court has the wider power in issuing writs. And with respect to this article, you can also refer the RBI and its establishment, and Hilton Young Commission and role of Ambedkar, especially Ambedkar, in this and the establishment of Reserve Bank of India, that we many people don't know. And you can refer the Banking Regulation Act of 1949, and in which year the RBI was nationalized. So coming on to the page number 8 editorial. So there is an important article setting up the new tone at Glasgow, the job ahead in Delhi. So what you can refer with respect to this article is Earth Summit, the UNFCCC, and in this convention, a Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, what is Conference of Parties, and also India's renewable energy targets, the International Solar Alliance, the e-vehicle policy of India, national biofuel policy of India, and which state became the first state to adopt the national biofuel policy. It was Rajasthan, and fourth generation of biofuel. You can refer this with respect to this article. So coming on to the next page, Yeah, page number 10, there is important Srinagar tens over shootout mobile internet cut after clash. So what you can refer that Kerala High Court and also Supreme Court had declared the right to internet as fundamental right under Article 19 or 21. You can check it out with whether uh, Kerala High Court has declared a fundamental right under which article, and Supreme Court had declared fundamental right under which article. So coming on to the next, on the draw section, you can see there is a repeal word written here. So you can refer your static notes, and you can also refer Article 245 and process to repeal a law by legislation or by ordinance. So coming to the next news, Assam Mizoram increase border fencing here. So very unfortunate, and scenes are coming from the Assam Mizoram border areas. So you can refer the map location and how it is harmful for the unity of India. Rising regionalism is an important topic of the social issues, especially for GS1. You can refer this article with respect to this, and the Kachar region of the Assam, where Mizoram Assam dispute between Assam and Mizoram arises. You can also refer the formation of northeastern state, and then you can understand what are the issues in the border areas of the northeastern states. So there is another article, Delhi House panel summons Kangana over offensive post. So this is a very important article, not important article, but the concept it is telling about the privileges of parliament and state assemblies, individual privileges as well as collective privileges, and their power to summon anyone. You can refer Article 105, which talks about parliamentary privileges, and Article 194, which talks about the state legislative assembly privileges. So the next news is Scorpion class submarine INS Vela joins Navy. So with respect to, you can refer your science and technology notes, and in this article itself written that India has currently 1 nuclear and 16 conventional submarine in service. So what extra you can study is Project 75 and Project 75 ID, and also what is the nuclear triad. Like there are around only 4 or P5+1 countries that have the capacity to fire nuclear missile from all three: air, water, and land. So that is nuclear triad. You can refer this with respect to the article. So coming on to page number 11. Page number 11, BJP whip for RS MPs on attendance. So with respect to this, what you can refer is the concept of whip and anti-defection law, and also 52nd amendment, and what are the exemption with respect to the anti-defection law, and also you can refer 91st amendment with respect to the anti-defection law. So this is important article, like China protests Rawat comment on security threat. So our chief of defense staff had said that China is the biggest threat. Way back in 1998, our then Defense Minister George Fernandez also had said that we should not focus on Pakistan, rather China should be our main focus, because in future China has the potential to become a number one threat to India. But no one takes him seriously, because in the very next year, 1999, Pakistan had attacked on the Kargil sector, and all eyes again turned on to the Pakistan, and ignored China again. But his visionary words are being seen today as well. So you can refer with this important article also. So coming on to the page number 12. So NFHS says women outnumbered men. So till now India has a cry over that women sex ratio is very poor. Now India has come into those category nation where women are more than the men. You can refer this complete article. You can get some incisive data that will be important for the examination point of view. So coming on to the next, yeah, the center mulls new testing modes after the anemia surge. So you can refer the anemia and why it is happen, and what are its cure, and why it is rising in women. Certain certain indexes or certain reports says that every 1 out of 2 women in India are anemic. So you can refer why this is happening. Yeah. So coming on to the next news, that India flays rising bilateral issues at SCO. So what you have to refer with this article is formation and concept of SCO, and how it is related to former USSR. Like it was formed out of the former USSR Central Asian nation, and you can refer which Central Asian nation is still not the part of SCO. It is, I think it is Uzbekistan is not the part, or rest all 5 Just all 4 Central Asian nations are the part of this SCO. Its headquarter, it is in Beijing, and the SCO bank as well. You can refer, and currently how many members are there in the SCO. So coming on to the next page, page number 13, world. This is very important page with respect to the international politics. If you're not reading complete article, but at least read all the headlines. So China, the first news is channel deaths fuel UK France tension. So what you have to study the English Channel and the Strait of Dover on the map. So just check your map location. The important article is Russia puts into orbit classified military satellites. So they keep on doing this. What you have to study that first Muslim nation, Iran has become first Muslim nation to launch a military satellite, and its name is Noor. You can refer this. Coming on to the next news, Australia sent troops to Solomon Island. Nothing important. You have to just check the location of the map. Location on the map. That's all. It will be done. Coming on to the next page, that the economy page. China non-committal on US oil release plan, OPEC plus and more. So China has backstabbed the India, USA, UK, Japan move to take out their strategic petroleum oil reserve into the open market to control the prices of the crude oil in the market. So you can refer this, what is strategic petroleum reserve, what is OPEC, its founding member, and its headquarters. Its headquarters is not in any member country. It is in a neutral venue. It is in Vienna, Austria. Or you can refer what is OPEC plus and what is cartel organization. Like OPEC is a cartel organization. You can refer what is cartel organization. So coming to the next news, IL and FS sells tech business clear 1,275 crore debt. So what you can refer, the IL and FS is nothing but a NBFC. You can refer what is NBFC and its types and how it is different from banks. So Amazon seeks pause on the CCI review of the future deal. So you can refer what is CCI, role of CCI, Competition Commission of India, and its role in India. So that's all you can refer. Coming on to the page, text and context. On the page, text and context, you can see the democratic backsliding of India. This is talking about the global state of democracy report, in which India's performance is continuously degrading, and the one of the report which says which put India in the category of flawed democracy. You can refer this article and why this is happening and why this is the cause of concern for India. And the next very important article is owing up to the criminalization in politics. This is very important article, especially you can refer the section 8 of the CRPC and also the Lily Thomas case, very important case with respect to the criminalization of politics. So that's all from today's newspaper. So write down in comment section why constitution, instead of being adopted on the 26th November, why it was being enforced on 26 January 1950, and which are the certain section of the constitution which came into effect on the 26th January itself and not on the 26 came into effect on 26 November 1949 itself. So you can refer this. So hope you like the content. If you like the join our Telegram channel for the its PDF, and like and share with your friends. This will help us. Yeah, thank you.